Hello, how you doing today? I'm gonna teach you how to cook salmon. There are so many ways to cook salmon, but today I'm gonna teach you two ways only. And before that, I'm gonna bake or roast some potatoes with these vegetables. Oil, salt, pepper, and just mix it. You can use your hand like this, doesn't matter. I like to do this. And goes to the oven. The way I'm gonna prepare the first salmon is gonna be with oil, garlic, lime juice, orange zest, lemon zest, orange juice, some maple syrup, paprika, chipotle powder, cumin, onion powder, salt, black pepper. This is the mix for my first salmon. This is what you need to do. You put the salmon and let it marinate for a little bit. Okay, for the second salmon, it's gonna be super easy, very simple. Grab a little lime juice, touch of oil, salt, pepper. That's all. Oh, they are nice. Let me check it out. They are good. We're gonna cook the salmon. Okay, this is our first salmon. Our second salmon. What I am doing is giving color to the salmon. Finish it in the oven. I think it's time to see if the salmons are already cooked. Oh yes, this one is done. And this one is done too. This one is green pesto salmon. Just a little of color. That's good. And this is our green pesto salmon. Hope you can make it. The green pesto, I have a video up here. You can watch it. Now I'm gonna finishing the other salmon over this pasta. You will see. This pasta I made it before. And this is my chipotle salmon. If you want to add more spicy, add this salsa. It's good. It's made with many peppers, not just 4. I have a video here to show you how to make this salsa. So in case you want a little bit more spicy, just add it. And thank you for watching the video. Hope you can make these beautiful salmons at home. They are easy. Well, I don't know if they are super easy or not, but they are good. Once again, you want to learn how to make this salsa, this green pesto, or the pasta I use for this salmon. Follow this video, watch these videos. Bye.